Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to Horses, Horses, Horses. My name is Lisa Dufresne, and I'll be your host this afternoon for our show. Thank you. All right. Now, the next horse I'd like to introduce is one of our beautiful little miniature stallions. His name is Stormy, and Stormy and I are going to do a little dance routine. All right. And that's our little Stormy, everyone. Isn't he a beautiful little horse? Thank you. Now, Stormy will be back out at the end of our show. If anyone would like to get a photograph with him, he'll be out here for a few minutes once our performance is finished. Bye. See you later. Taking himself out. Bye-bye. Okay. Now, the next horse I'd like to introduce is our newest performer here on our show. He's also our youngest performer. We brought him home when he was 6 months old in a dog crate. Yes, he fit in an extra large dog crate. And we've been playing with him out here to see what he likes to do. And we thought you might like to meet him. What do you think? Yeah? All right. Let's meet little Oliver. Beatta. Beatta. Sit down. Oh, let's see if he can make a clean round. Come on, kids. Oh, yeah. One more. And he made it all the way. Clean round. Thank you. This is Oliver, everyone. He's 3 years old. He is an American miniature stallion with the tail of a full-size horse. That has to be tied up for my safety. I have been known to trip over it. And we thought it would be fun to try to teach a horse a dog trick. So Oliver is going to show you his rendition of the weave pole.
I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time.
Come on, one more time.
Because I'm happy I'm alone if you
Good boy. Come on. Very nice. No biting, no biting. Okay, okay. Now the other thing Oliver is working on, and actually he's getting quite good at, walking on his hind legs. No biting.
Beatta.
No biting.
I'm alone if you feel like that's
All right, very nice. Stand up. One more time. All right, very good. Come on over here. Take a nice bow for everybody. And all the way down. How quickly they learn to do two things at once out here. There we go. Very nice. All right, up. Isn't he adorable, everyone? Just the size to bring in your house. All right. Do you want to meet a wild stallion? Are you sure? All right. We better bring that wild stallion out here. Hey! I was hoping for something a little bigger. This is the wild stallion. Okay, let's see about that. All right, here he is, everyone. What do you think? Now, he is a stallion, and his name is Beatta. He is full grown. He won't get any taller. He may get a little wider as he gets older, but he won't get any taller. Now, he came to us a few years ago. Never had a job. He's not real sure he wanted a job. He's one of those Moody stallions that does whatever he wants, whenever he wants. So we've tried to teach him a few things, so we want to show you some of the things we hope he's learned. All right, can you get up on the pedestal? See what I mean? Can you think about getting up on the pedestal? No, it's not a scratching post. Think a little harder. Thank you. Very nice job. Yes. As you can see, he thinks quite highly of himself. Yeah. You think you're pretty cute, don't you? Yeah. Well, we can't argue with that, can we? No, we can't. You are pretty cute. All right. Are you having a good time? That's great. So all that matters to us is that you're happy. That's right. When you're happy, everybody's happy. Yeah, okay. We're waiting. Yes, we're still waiting. Oh my goodness. Are you cranky today? Yeah. You're cranky every day. Yes, you're a cranky little guy. Okay, at least you admit it. All right, stop fooling around. Big smile. Big smile. Very nice. A little bigger. 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 All right, nice job. Now he's learned to do a trick that takes a lot of balance and a lot of concentration. Are you ready? Okay, he says he's ready. We better get going here. Come on. Come on up. Come on up. Today would be nice. Let's go. Thank you. All right, come on. Come on. Thank you. Oh my goodness. All right. Everyone say goodbye to Beatta. He's got to go take a rest, you know. He thinks he works pretty hard out here. All right. See you later, kid. Okay. Now we're going to bring out... I'm more studly than you are today. We try to keep those arguments to a minimum, not let it get too crazy out here. So I'm going to introduce you to each one as they come out, tell you a little bit about their personality, and then we'll get started with their performance. Now the first horse I'd like you to meet is Hans. Now Hans is the leader of this group. He's also the oldest, but he's not the leader because he's the oldest. He's the leader because he's the most responsible of all these little guys. He takes his job quite seriously. Some of these others are not so serious about their job. Oh, you are not going to do that right after I'm bragging on you. Oh my goodness. Thanks. All right, the next horse I'd like to introduce is Rio. Now Rio is the boss of the herd. He makes sure everybody goes where he wants them to go. If we're at home and he's out in the pasture, he'll kick everybody out so he can have it all to himself. The next horse I'd like you to meet is Rex. Now Rex is kind of a shy guy, but he does like to come out and perform. And Rex likes a snack horses don't usually like. Rex likes to get a banana every once in a while, so we make sure he gets one. Now Rex has a brother, and they are the only two in this group that are related. His brother's name is Jasper. He's a year younger and a whole lot more trouble. Jasper wants to be the boss. He challenges Rio every day for that boss's job. He will never be the boss, but he doesn't ever give up trying, right? All right. The next horse I'd like you to meet is Duke. We call him Mr. Personality. He usually likes to come out, check out the crowd. Today he's going to annoy his friend Rex. That's not very nice, Duke. Bye, Jasper. See ya. All right. The next horse, last but not least, everyone, here comes Pipsqueak. He is the smallest, but he is the biggest instigator of them all. He will pick a fight with any horse, big or small, he doesn't care. He just likes to start arguments. All right. Now, once everybody gets in here, there is a certain order that they need to be in so we can get started. That's nice, Jasper. Thanks a lot. Okay, Duke. All right, everybody, let's go. Oh, everybody's jumping out. Come on. Thanks, Rex. Jasper. Jasper, you got to jump in and stay in, not go out the other side. Oh, you see somebody you know over there? I don't think so. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on, Jasper. All right. Now, once we get in order, we can get going. Come on, Pip. We're waiting. Hans, go on. Hans. That's nice. Okay. Come on, Pip. Let's go, Pip. Oh, you got to stay in here, Pip. He's working outside the box tonight. All right, they are in order. Okay. Now, if you see something you like, you can go ahead and applaud. It won't bother their concentration. As you probably figured out, some of them don't have a whole lot of it. Hans one. Hans one. Hans up. Good boy. Oh, everybody, take a nice bow. Good boy. Rio. Rex. 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 Jasper, Duke, Pip. Jasper, Duke. Do you need a special invitation here, mister? Excuse you? Get in a little room. Come on, take a bow. Don't exert yourself. I know it's a lot of work. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Go on. Come on, Hans. Rex, go on. Rex up. Come on, back in order. You're not the leader, Rex. Don't kick him. I know you'd like to be. Come on. All right, we're back in order. Good boys. All right. Hey! Come on. Up. Okay. Rex up. Rex up. Good boys. Rex up. Thank you. Come on. Rex up. Good boy. Good boys. Jasper, come up. Jasper, come up. Rex, Jasper, you can go next to your brother. Jasper up, come on. Jasper, Duke, Pip. All right, Rex, Rex. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, Rex. Jasper, Duke, Rex. All right. Good boys. Hands up. Oh, hey, whoa. All right, very nice. Oh, come here. Oh, all right. Thank you, everyone. Now we have some specialty tricks we'd like to show you, and we're gonna start off with Jasper. Now, as you can see, Jasper hasn't missed too many meals. Nice job, Jasper. Take a bow. Very nice. And get a snack while you're down there. You don't need any more snacks, buddy. All right, now here's Pipsqueak, everyone. He's going to attempt a full pirouette on his hind legs. You ready? Stand up, 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 up. Whoa, all right. Good job. And take a nice bow. That's counting. We're bowing. Bowing. What are you doing? Did I say lay down? I did not say roll over. Oh my goodness. Can you get up now? I think he's ignoring me. All right, let's go. Up. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Up. Up. Oh, one more time. Up. He needs a push. He made it. Oh my. Very nice. All right. Now here's Rex, everyone. Now Rex has a TV in his barn, and he saw the Stallion show. You know, those big, beautiful horses from Austria. Well, he decided he was leaving us. He wanted to go on the road with one of those big, fancy shows. Well, we didn't tell him he's a little too small and not quite the right color, but he wanted to learn this trick anyway. You ready? Come on up. Come on up. Let's go. Up. No, the front end first, buddy. Oh, hey! One more time. Up. There we go. Nice job. Take a bow. Very nice job, Rex. Good boy. All right. Well, we'd like to thank all of you for coming to visit us. We hope you enjoyed our equine performers as much as we enjoy working with them every day. Stormy's on his way out.